Hello viewers, welcome to Snack Your Brain. I am Balaji Sagadevan. Today we are going to see about the new coronavirus strain and also on the manufacturability and availability of the coronavirus vaccine. Let's get started. As you all know that this coronavirus as a new strain originated from United Kingdom and it is spreading much faster. So let's see a little bit deep about this. So this change is something that happens naturally in a virus. If you rewind back 1 year in 2019, it spread from an animal to human being after mutating. Okay, now the same thing has happened. The virus has mutated and it is spreading much faster. As we humans change ourselves and adapt ourselves to the environment, virus also has a capability to change itself and adapt itself to the environment. So that is a natural process for a virus. But if you look deep into this new strain B117 is spreading much faster but less lethal. Okay. As per couple of sources that I have referred, it's spreading up to 54 to 70% faster than the previous virus strain, COVID strain. And the lethality of this virus is much less. So what might have happened is two things. There is a structural form of virus and the functional form of the virus. Okay, there is a structural protein that is governing the structural form of the virus and a functional protein that is governing the function of the virus. So according to the sources that I have seen, the structure has more binding spots. So it is more easy to bind to the skin or more easy to penetrate to the host, those kind of things. So the probability of it attaching to the host cell or any human being is more. So that has increased. But the functional cell, the actual function of it is governed by a protein which is simplified as functional protein. That might have altered or that might have undergone some changes and it might have reduced its implications, reduced its severity. So only we are seeing some changes in that, which is this mutated version. Okay, so in that way we can see that even though it is spreading faster and much long, like easily, the effect caused by it is very less. We hope that this reduces the lethality by itself and it becomes just like a common flu kind of thing, so it goes away from our human system soon. Okay, let's hope for that. There are still some research going on around it. As we get it, I will read through it and I will update you. The second thing is on the vaccines availability. I came across many of my friends asking me that why the vaccines are not produced at a much faster scale, kind of thing, as I am in a pharmaceutical industry. Okay, there are a couple of things to be looked around it. So the technology behind these vaccines, the one approved by Pfizer BioNTech and also from Moderna. Okay, so these vaccines are coming from a technology called mRNA technology, messenger RNA technology. These vaccines or this technology is being worked up by some small companies focusing on only rare disease in the sense a disease which has like 10,000 patients or 50,000 patients worldwide, not so abundant pandemic like corona. But the technology is so easy that it can be modified and it can be programmed. They were able to decode the coronavirus and pick up this mRNA to bind to it and kill that virus. Okay, so in that way they were able to do it, but the technology is very in a very premature stage, and since it is developed by only very small companies, the way in which it is manufactured is very limited. Okay, if you look into the worldwide supply chain, to the best of my knowledge, there is only like 5 to 6 places where you can actually manufacture the API, the active pharmaceutical ingredient of this one, which is very limited because those things were developed for rare disease, which are very few people in the world. But this one came up and they met the challenge and they got a vaccine, and those sites are working around the clock now. to manufacture more and more this API. And after that API is manufactured, it is sent to even more drug product that manufacturing sites around the world, where they fill it in a vial, where they mix it with other excipient, filter it, and fill it aseptically in a vial. So that is going on, and we are slowly getting things. Okay, because this mRNA technology was so far not developed to meet masses, it was only for rare disease. This supply chain bottleneck is happening, and we need to get through this slowly so that everyone can get vaccine. Okay, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And do like the channel Snack Your Brain, do subscribe it, do share it with your friends, and stay safe and enjoy your life. Bye.